All right, so here we go. Here's the new data in from overnight. And yes, it does increase our snowfall potential for Saturday into Sunday. We got those weather impact alert days there. So here it comes by about, let's stop the clock at 10 p.m. You can see the snow's pretty widespread by Saturday evening. So if you've got plans this weekend, just know to be expecting this one here. Think it comes in near or right at the end of that Ohio State-Michigan game up in Ann Arbor. Now, there is still a potential that a little bit of drizzle will mix in Sunday morning with this. So it's generally less snow to the south, more snow to the north, but several inches of snow still looking pretty likely here across the Toledo Metro. The shovels, a pretty good chance you'll be using those Sunday morning for much of the area. Look at these temperatures. I don't have a single day until we get towards next weekend with a high temperature more than a couple of degrees above freezing. And there's several days mixed in there where that high doesn't even get to 32. So pretty impressive cold early in the season on the way here in our 10-day forecast. That's the latest.